Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir-fry lo mein. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite vegetables and protein. Next, prepare a delicious sauce that will bring all the flavors together. Finally, cook your lo mein noodles to the perfect al dente texture. This guide will help you create a fantastic restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. Get ready to enjoy a quick and satisfying meal. Now let's get those ingredients ready. Start by thinly slicing your favorite vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and snap peas. Then cut your protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or tofu, into uniform 1-inch pieces for even cooking. For the sauce, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a dash of ginger and garlic. This flavorful blend is key to authentic lo mein. Time to get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat until it's shimmering. First, add your protein and stir-fry it for 3 to 4 minutes until it's cooked through and nicely browned. Next, toss in your prepared vegetables and cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes, aiming for that perfect tender crisp texture. Keep everything moving to ensure even cooking and maximum flavor development. Almost there. Now, add your cooked lo mein noodles and the delicious sauce directly into the wok with your protein and vegetables. Toss everything together for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring every strand of noodle and every piece of ingredient is beautifully coated and heated through. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade stir-fry lo mein. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.